Hi, welcome again to this conditional statements or situation based programming part 2. So, we will learn a little more situation based programming. In the previous video, what we have done is we asked for a secret code. Now, there could be two outcomes. One, the code is correct, and then we showed a relevant message. And the second outcome or second situation is that the code is incorrect and we showed the other message. In this video, what we are going to do is we are going to ask the user for the weather. Okay, now the user can enter summer, monsoon or winter. So there can be three situations. There can actually be four situations. The user can enter either summer, monsoon, winter, or something else. But our program will is only going to check for these three inputs, which is summer, winter, and monsoon. So if the user has entered summer, we will display, oh, have a very nice day. Okay, because assuming sunny is the best weather to go out and enjoy. So we will print a message like that. If the user has entered a monsoon, which is rainy season, so we can display a message, oh, remember to carry your umbrella. And if the user enters winter, so we'll assume it's very cold, and we can print a message that remember to carry your wear your jacket. Okay, so let's go to programming, and then you will get a much clearer picture. To open Python, I type IDLE in Spotlight. To open Spotlight, I press Command and Space. Now IDLE has opened. I'm going to open a new file by doing File, New File. Like I said, the first task here is to accept the user input, which I'll store in a variable called weather. Okay, enter the weather, and I'll give a hint here: summer slash monsoon slash winter. Okay, and now let's check if weather equal to summer. Okay, then I'll print that I have a awesome day outside, great time to go out. Alright, now notice here I'm going to do a slash n. Let's see what happens. I'll tell you what happens with slash n later. Okay, now we'll check for the other situation, that is when the user has entered monsoon. So how to do that? If the weather is summer, we print something. But elif weather equal to monsoon. Okay, we'll print. Remember, monsoon is rainy season. That's a weather here in India. So it rains a lot, especially in Mumbai where I am. Remember to carry your umbrella. Actually, in monsoon, you have to carry your umbrella or raincoat here because it rains. So, yeah. And then the third one is we're going to check for the third weather, which is winter. Okay. Now, if the user has entered winter, what I'm going to print is carry your jacket. Okay, I'll say don't forget to carry your jacket. Okay, so that's that. Now I'll also add in an extra piece of code which will run only when the user has entered anything other than summer, monsoon or winter. Okay, so in that case I'll say invalid weather input, because our program is not programmed to handle any other input other than summer, monsoon or winter. Okay, so yeah, that's that. So let's save this file. Do Command S to save the file. Go to this tutorial, and there is conditional statements already saved. I'll make a new file, conditional statements 2, and save. Now let's run. So I pressed F and F5 to run on MacBook. That's the shortcut, in case you didn't know. So now it's asking me to enter a weather, summer, monsoon or winter. So I'm going to enter summer. Okay, so it says have an awesome day, great time to go out, and that's it. The code stops. What I'll do here now is kind of arrange the screens next to each other so we can run the code, and on the right hand we can see the output also, right? So let's go to the code, run the code again, run module. The module is running on my shell here. So now I'll enter the weather as say winter, and it says don't forget to carry your jacket. Alright, so if you have noticed, it's only executing one of these print statements, which corresponds to the input here, input checking here. Alright, monsoon, winter. Alright, so let's run the code two more times. Once for monsoon, because that's not done. So I'm going to enter monsoon here. Okay, so it says remember to carry your umbrella. Alright, so it's working. And now I will enter one more weather. The shell is at the very bottom. I hope you can see it. I'll enter one more weather called as spring. Let me close the shell and rerun it so the output appears on top of the screen. So I'll run the module. Shell has restarted and it's waiting for my input. So let's enter a weather not entered till now, which is say spring. In this case, I get a print when valid weather input. So now the print statement, only one of those print statement works which corresponds to the input. That is what I wanted you to show you in this video. So this is situational based. If your input is XYZ, you have some code running around. Okay, so this is used a lot in programming. Say you're going to transfer some money from your account to somebody else's account, right? But say your account has 1,000 rupees and you want to transfer 1,500 rupees. So the ATM software or the bank software will not let you do that, because first it's checking if your balance is more than what you want to transfer, then it will let you transfer your money to somebody, but otherwise it will not. So that is what happens. I mean, this is used a lot in programming. I hope you understood from this video quite a bit about how to use if elif. So yeah, if you just put your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to my channel. Also remember to share this video and my channel to others. I'm a private home tutor in South Mumbai area. I teach from Pali Hill to Prabhadevi, Worli, Napean Sea Road and Pedder Road, even Marine Drive and Cuff Parade. So I go all the way over there to teach, and I do Skype tuitions to students living abroad, say UK, US, or even in Egypt. I have one of my very good students there. So you spread my word, all right? Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.